Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get to Exodus Garden 2A updated. Start at the main ferry terminal and buy a tram ticket to the Blue Line. Exit at Gate 3 and follow the river path east for 7 miles, staying on the left to avoid steep drops. Look for the old stone arch and conserve phone battery for the final waypoint markers along shaded stretches. In this video, I will show how to get to Exodus Garden 2A updated. After exiting the tram at Gate 3, keep a steady pace along the river path and watch for mile markers on wooden posts. When you reach a split, choose the left fork and scan for a low stone arch with carved symbols. Move carefully over uneven ground and use your phone compass if you feel unsure of heading. In this video, I will show how to get to Exodus Garden 2A updated. Quick recommendation. After a dusty trek, treat yourself to Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent in your car, especially after muddy boots. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get to Exodus Garden 2A updated. Plan for changing weather and pack water, sturdy shoes, and a small first aid kit. Wear layers because shaded sections stay cool and damp, and avoid the route after heavy rain to prevent slips. Keep your phone charged and download an offline map, and move deliberately over mossy stones to protect ankles and shoes while enjoying the scenery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.